Hello everyone, I am your graphics Oni. So today we are going to learn wrap text in Photoshop. Just create a file. Just download the PNG you wanna add it. I had downloaded watermelon. Now take the text tool, create a text box and write the text you wanna add it, as I did watermelon, and place it over the PNG. Right click on the text layer and click on the convert to shape option. Now click Ctrl+T, then right click on the text and just click wrap. Now using the handle, arrange the text according to the image. Hold Ctrl and click to selection and then hide the layer. Select the image and create a layer mask. Then select the layer mask and press B to select the brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is white. Then paint around the areas you want to bring back. Then boom, it's done.